and welcome, dear children. Hope you are all fine and pink in health. In today's video, we shall study grammar topic of Standard 7th. Today's topic is question tags. Children, just imagine that you met a friend in the park on Saturday morning and you had a conversation with your friend. While conversing, you asked to your friend, "It is cold today, isn't it?" And your friend replies, "Yes, it is." Now, "It is cold today, isn't it?" is a sentence. What kind of sentence it is? It is an interrogative sentence. Now, this sentence, that is, "It is cold today, isn't it?" is a short question. And that "isn't it" is added at the end of the statement. Now, this short question is known as a question tag, and the reply that your friend gave, "Yes, it is a confirmation to the question that has been asked by you, isn't it? So she confirmed, "Yes, it is." So confirmation is given by your friend. So what is a question tag then? We can define question tag as question tags are short questions that are placed at the end of the sentence. They are mainly used in speech when we want to confirm whether something is true or not. Then we use such type of question tags. If you observe the same sentence carefully now, just see, look down at the sentence. "It is cold today, isn't it?" In this, that "isn't it" is a short question. That is, we already said they are the question tags, isn't it? Now, if you look the previous part of the sentence, that is, "It is cold today." What is this? It is a statement. Now, if we remove the question tag, what do we get? We get only a plain statement. It is cold today. Now, this statement is said to be as a declarative sentence in which the speaker makes a statement about the temperature on that particular day. So, what do we see? If we add a question tag at the end of the declarative sentence, we get an interrogative sentence. So, question tags help to transform a declarative sentence to an interrogative sentence. Now, observe the next example. The sentence is, "She hasn't eaten all the cake, has she?" Now, if we see in this sentence the later part, okay, we can divide this sentence into two. The later part we see the word "has she." So, "has she" is the question tag. Now, if you look at the statement, "She hasn't eaten all the cake." Now, this statement is actually a negative statement. How do we understand? We can understand by the word "hasn't." That is the short form of "has not." So, negative word has come. No, "hasn't" word is negative word. So, the sentence is negative. Now, see the next sentence. "She has eaten all the cake, hasn't she?" Here also we can divide into two parts. "Hasn't she" is the question tag, and the previous part of the sentence, that is the statement. She has eaten all the cake. Here this statement is positive, whereas if you look at the tag is negative. So what conclusion do we come to at? If you observe both the sentence, if the statement is negative, the tag is always positive. But if the statement is positive, then the tag is negative. Okay, always keep this in mind. So children, we need to follow now some rules when we add a question tag to the sentence. Let us check out the rules that we need to follow. The first rule we need to follow is use a comma. Okay, after the statement is over, before we add a question tag, we put a comma. Second, use of small alphabet in question tag. So after comma, when we start with the question tag, the starting letter, the first letter has to be the small alphabet, not the capital one. Now the third rule is use contractions. Contraction means short forms of, like is not. What is the short form? Isn't. Do not will become don't. Should not will become shouldn't. Could not will be couldn't. Have not will be haven't. Are not will be aren't. So like that, many words are there. The next rule is use of pronoun, and the last one is put question mark. Question mark is always put at the end of the sentence. It is very, very important because you are adding a short question at the end of the statement, so it has to end with a question mark. You can see the example given below. Rohit will be arriving soon. You see, after that we have put a comma. Now the statement is positive, isn't it? So how will be the tag? The tag has to be negative. So we will use, which is the helping verb in the sentence? Will. Will become won't in the tag. Won't we will write in contracted form. Then we will use a pronoun. Now what is the pronoun for Rohit? Yes, he will come at the end of the sentence. Won't he? Then we add a question mark. So this completes our question tag. Let us practice now some more sentences by following the given rules. Your question is add a question tag. Okay, so the first question you see, you haven't seen this film. Now how you will solve or add a question tag? Yes, in answer you will write the same statement as it is, that is, you haven't seen this film. You will copy as it is. In place of full stop, what will come? Yes, comma will come. Then haven't is the helping verb or auxiliary verb over here. So when the sentence is negative, haven't word is negative, no? So when the sentence is negative, the tag will always be positive. So haven't will become have, and pronoun will come as it is, that is you will come as it is, and then we will add a question mark. So our tag will be have you. Okay, now see the second one. She is a doctor. How you will write this? Yes, correct. You will copy the sentence as it is. She is a doctor. In place of full stop, what will come? Comma. Now we have to look at the statement. If the statement is positive, what should be the question tag? It should be negative, isn't it? So she is a doctor is a positive sentence. What we will write? the tag will be negative. We will write a negative tag. So which is the helping verb that has come? Is. Is will become isn't in the tag, so contracted form, and pronoun we will add after that, that is she. So look at the statement now. She is a doctor. Isn't she? Anything is missing? Yes, question mark is missing. That will complete the tag. So do not forget to put a question mark after the sentence is over. I hope children you all will complete the remaining sentence properly now, and you will understand it better. Okay, so I will just read this questions that I have given. Third sentence is he isn't here. Answer will be he isn't here. Is he? Next question. I don't need to finish this today. Answer. I don't need to finish this today. Do I? Next. They could hear me. Yes, the statement is positive. What we will do now? Yes, the tag will be negative. They could hear me. Couldn't they? Question mark. Okay, do not forget question mark. The next one now. Snow is white. Our answer would be snow is white. Isn't, what pronoun you will use now? It we will use because snow is non-living thing. Isn't it? Then we will add a question mark. The last sentence. The English alphabet doesn't have 40 letters. What will be your answer? Yes, the English alphabet doesn't have 40 letters. Does it? Then add a question mark. Okay, hope you all have understood children. Keep practicing. Thank you.